Hello everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be comparing Loora AI versus Elsa Speak. So if you don't know what these two are, let's start with Loora AI. Now Loora AI is an AI-powered language learning app focused on improving conversational fluency through real-time speaking practice with AI tutors. It aims to stimulate real-life conversations in English to help users become confident natural speakers. Now let's go on over to Elsa Speak. Elsa Speak, or English Language Speech Assistant, is a pronunciation-focused English learning app that uses AI to help users improve their accent, fluency, and speaking skills, particularly targeting non-native speakers aiming for a clearer English speech. So let's head on over to Loora and discuss its pros and cons. Now, for Loora, the pros of Loora is that it has a real-time conversation practice which mimics real conversations with AI for fluency and confidence building. It also has natural dialogue scenarios, which helps users prepare for real-life speaking situations like interviews, travels, and business. Lastly, it has focus on fluency. It prioritizes free-flowing communication over grammar drills. Now, the cons of it is that it has limited grammar and vocabulary. It is less structured lessons compared to traditional apps, and it is also still growing as a newer app, and it may lack some polish or features found in more established tools. Now let's head on over to Elsa Speak. Elsa Speak pros is that it has a pronunciation correction, which gives a real-time feedback on pronunciation and accent using speech recognition. It also has structured lessons, includes guided learning paths for vocabulary, grammar, and fluency. It also has goal-oriented practice, tailors exercises for TOEFL and IELTS, and job interviews, etc. So if you don't know what these two are, these are like exams for like going abroad or different countries. It also has gamified learning, so engaging interface that makes learning fun. So these includes games, so that you won't be bored while learning. However, the cons of it is that it has a less focus on conversation, which is not ideal for practicing for full conversations or spontaneous speaking. And it also has premium subscription needed, so most advanced features are locked behind a paywall. Now, so which one is right for you? So you should choose Loora AI if you want to practice real conversations, improve fluency, and build confidence speaking naturally. Best for learners focused on spontaneous speech and daily interactions. And choose Elsa Speak if your goal is to refine pronunciation, reduce accent, and improve clarity and correctness. Ideal for learners aiming for exams, presentations, or professional communication. And that is it. That is the difference between Loora AI and Elsa Speak. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.